Hey guys, down at the local beach, there's a lot of military stuff going on down here the last week or so. We had a big battleship out there shooting off lots of live rounds for about 3 or 4 days non-stop. It's cost a fortune. Must be getting ready for something, Venezuela or whatever. Well, anyway, I got a nice little odd little knife here made by CRKT, and it's called the DAKTYL. What a odd little thing, sort of minimalist look, and it's got a lock here. This is a lock and slide, so if you push it in, it's locked, nothing can move. If you pull it out, you can press that down there and spin the blade round, and it locks into position there really tight, locks in real tight, and you can make it even more secure by sliding this forward, and that's locked. Nothing's going to turn that. Kind of cut out blade there for make it nice and light. And it come razor sharp. It is sharp as a razor. You could shave with that thing. Pretty neat little knife. I call it my fidget spinner knife. It's kind of because you just want to mess about with it. You can open it single-handed, real easy once you get used to it. Left or right, you know, it goes either way. Cool little knife. And another little trick it has, it's got like a carabiner type. This bit is under spring tension, so you could clip it onto your backpack or whatever. I notice it needs a little help going back. But you just push it with your finger and it locks up, so you could lock it onto whatever you want to lock it onto. That's it. Nothing amazing, but pretty nice if you like the minimalist style knife with an unusual opening and locking mechanism. Like I said, I call it a fidget spinner knife because you do just want to play with the thing. And for grip, you can pretty much have you could have a punch grip with this thing. Your finger goes, you know, your flip-off finger goes straight through there. You could defend yourself with it, or hold it like that. You know, there's a groove there for your thumb. Pretty neat. Not a lot of money, 30 something bucks, I don't remember exactly. I've had it a little while, I just haven't brought it out to play. I sit indoors watching TV, spinning it, you know, getting used to it. But unusual, huh? Anyway, that's it. Just a quick video on this little thing. I'll list all the details on the edge of the screen there. But certainly make a nice little carry knife. It's light as anything. You could clip it onto your belt loop or your whatever. Pretty cool. Yeah, so there you go. Not really not a review or anything, just showing you my shit. Yeah, pretty nice day down the beach today.